So well, let's go back for a bit because a theorist needs to make a prediction. So you predicted what?
Well, I did the scattering rates of particles off of if you were to build a detector out of some atom. So how much energy would you get from the WIMP hitting that nucleus?
Because most would pass through. You send something through, what fraction of everything you send through is actually going to interact? And then you get a number, and you design your experiment around that number.
Yep.
And are you measuring that interaction by what's left over, what's no longer there, or how are you measuring that interaction?
These interactions are elastic. That means that the particle goes voom, voom, scatters off, but it deposits energy in the detector.
So
you got to measure that energy somehow.
Right, okay.
Very small amount of energy. Yeah. And these experiments have to be deep underground because you have to get away from competing signals that will be a lot bigger. So you have to go a mile underground. And you have to sit there
competing signals
for a long time.
So you have things like cosmic rays coming
cosmic
in.
rays.
Other particles that could just actually interfere with
the sun even.
Cosmic rays have electromagnetic interactions, which are, that's a much stronger force and happens much more frequently. So you'd have 1 million of those for every WIMP, and you'd never be able to dig out the WIMP. So you got to go underground because the cosmic rays do get stuck in the Earth.